What's up? Oh, Isis! Ik kan nou nog een stap. Ik kan nou nog een stap. Okay. I'll take that. Remember who you are. Archangel Michael, you are a powerful, loving, and creative child of God. You are very loved. Let's get to the next one. Such a peaceful day. Notice the signs. Yes, the signs you've been receiving are heaven sent. We drop feathers, coins, and other signs upon your path to remember you are the loved and never alone. Beautiful card. Put that over there. No, get in my deck. Stretch. Dear Archangel Raphael, thank you for staying by my side and motivating me to take excellent care of myself in all the ways. That's the one that flipped, and then this one flipped as well. Children, dear Archangel Raphael, thank you for helping me to help children.